How to fix Steam API 64 DLL is missing from games. So first you want to open up your Steam and select the game that you're having this issue with. So for example, this game right here. Now right click on it and click on properties and go to installed files and then click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for it to repair the files and potentially install the Steam DLL that is missing. Now you can try to launch the game to see if that solves the problem. Otherwise, what you'll need to do is open up your browser and then search for Redist like this. And then click on the first link, which takes you to a Microsoft official website. Scroll down a little bit and download both of these right here, the 86 and the 64. You'll need to download and install these individually. So once you install them, you will simply need to restart Steam as admin. So you want to close Steam. You can close it from the taskbar below here. Click on the Steam icon, right click and exit Steam, and it will shut down. Now you want to look for Steam, right click on it and run as administrator. And once Steam is launched, you'll need to go to your library and try to launch the game again, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.